Hey friends, welcome to week 4 of my keto-ish journey. Cheers. So I started, 4 weeks ago at 304 pounds. And as of this week, I'm at 285.2. That's down almost 5 pounds this week. Super awesome. If you're new here, I'm Dave. I'm 59 years old and working my way back to 200-ish pounds before my next cruise in the fall. Let's check out the weigh-in. 285.2. Nice. And now my favorite part, spreadsheet time. Let's log the progress. So we're at week 4. And it is March the 30th, 2025. And we came in at 285.2. Awesome. Copy the formulas. Paste. Fix this one as usual. And it's supposed to be for goal 1, 256. There we go. 2. Nice. Still 10 more pounds till I reach my first goal of 275. Down 4.8 pounds this week. 19 pounds total. Fantastic. I'm down nearly 19 pounds in 4 weeks. The trend is strong. So this week I tried something new. Keto cheeseburgers and cheese and onion as the bun, like cheese crisps. And I'll show you how we did that. And it was actually inspired by a YouTube short my wife had sent me, and it was how to make those onion cheese crisps. So yeah, let's check this out. Okay, let's try these newfangled burgers. What do I need? I'm gonna make onion cheese crisps first. So what do I need? I need some marble cheddar and onions. So we have an onion. And slice it up. Oh, actually, let me prepare the toaster oven first. I don't want to do these in the oven because I'm not making that much. They say use parchment paper. I'm going to use tin foil because it's easier. And then I'll spray it. Okay, there we go. Spray. Olive oil spray is recommended. This is okay. Now I can't remember if you put the cheese down first or the onions down first. Let me slice onion. Cutting board. Okay. Let's get a knife. Lots of knives. Now my plan is to make... Nope, that didn't work. Let me just peel this whole onion. Okay. Green bin. Now, I don't know how thin to slice these. Let's try. That looks thin enough-ish. Another one. Let me do 3. I want to use these as buns for my hamburger. But I've never done this before. Okay. My sister just sent me a picture. She did it with Parmesan cheese, but I think it'll be too salty. Okay. So I got marble cheddar here. I think you're just supposed to put a pile on it. I'm sure they'll run into each other, but I can slice them apart after. I don't even know how much to use. Okay. So yeah, let's give it a go. Seems easy enough. We bake it, I think they say 400 degrees in the toaster oven. Got on bake. This does air fryer too, but I use the Ninja for air frying, and that's already at 400-ish. And let me set it for 15 minutes and we see how this works out. Back soon. Okay, I turned them off. It was only about 8 minutes or so. You guys let me know if these look okay. I'm worried they're going to stick to the tin foil. Because I didn't use parchment paper. But I'm hoping. Definitely crispy. We'll see if they come off easily. Plus I don't want to eat tin foil. Oh. Well, that one failed. Good thing I made 3. Oof. Not bad. I'm kind of wondering if I was supposed to put cheese underneath the onion. Or I did put it underneath the onion. I should have used more cheese. I don't know. We'll see. These are really hot. So let these cool. And I'm going to fry up a hamburger. back to you shortly. Okay, I'm just using a small frying pan. This is just for me. It's an experiment. Probably should eat more protein than one hamburger. I guess that probably has about 25 grams of protein. Just going to do this real simple. It's a no-stick frying pan. This is from Frozen. I thawed it overnight. Well, guess that wasn't hot enough. Didn't sizzle. So my plan is I'm going to use Trader Joe's 21 seasoning mix, and it seems to be pretty good. Normally I would choose like a Montreal steak spice or something, but this was on the counter. Let me just use this one. Okay, now it's starting to sizzle. I'm off. Okay, I think that burger is ready. Okay, let me try and assemble this thing. I don't have high hopes. Bottom. Burger. Guess the crisps should have been larger. I tasted this and I don't know. I'm not sure if I'm a fan. I don't know if I feel like ketchup and mustard or not yet, but let's just do some olive oil mayonnaise. Try that. Not too much. Let's get some lettuce on there. Kind of sad I don't have a tomato slice, but it's probably enough lettuce. Okay, let me let that burger cool for a couple minutes and we'll give it a try. Let's slice it open and see what she looks like. Not sure what knife is best. Okay, just so you can see it properly. Let me slice through this. A serrated knife seems logical. There's the cross section. And let's give it a go. This is messy. Maybe I should have used more cheese. I don't even know. I should probably use a knife and fork. Very messy, but tasty. Yeah, it's pretty tasty. Let me know if you guys have tried this. Let me know how it is. I don't know if this squeeze is worth the juice, because I'm lazy. But yeah, it'll be very satisfying. It's a good burger. Overall, I give it, I don't know, a 5. I don't know. My favorite hamburger anywhere is the Guy's Burgers on any of the Carnival cruise ships. They are fantastic. And nothing on land is going to come close, at least as far as I've been able to find so far. So anyway, yeah, give these a try. Bit of a pain in the ass, but you guys probably have better experience at it than I do. Okay, we give it a thumbs up. This week felt great. More energy, fewer cravings, and I'm getting into the rhythm. Even down weeks kind of teach me stuff. So far, so good. I haven't had to worry about it. The weight's coming off, but so is the bloat and brain fog. And yeah, that cruise in November, still top of mind. Got to be ready for that. Ready. I got to be ready for the long walks and swimming. I've had challenges, of course, when you're heavier, is getting out, going to. It's easy to get down the beach and into the water, but sometimes some of these beaches are a little steep, and the sand is really soft, so it can be challenging. But if I get all this weight off as much as I can before November, I shouldn't. It shouldn't be as big of an issue. If you're on your own journey, drop a comment. I love hearing about what's working for other people. Um, yeah, let me know if you've tried anything weird in the air fryer lately. Show me the failures, but more importantly, give me some good ideas because I got to come up with on a recipe idea each week. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on that bell notification because I got more keto wins and fails coming up over the coming weeks. So yeah, thanks. I look forward to seeing you next week. Cheers. Bye for now.